boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have IYANYA here and Diverse with a song called Call Me Baby. So one chord progression and one string pattern, that's it. So let's dive into this shorty. We have a capo set here on the first fret, and we have a couple chords. So let's start with D first. That is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the next chord, that is the A, but with a C sharp in the bass. So what you do here, you place a short little bar on the second fret from the D string and down, 4 strings, and then you add the 4th fret on the A string. The next chord is B minor. So you place a bar still on the second fret. This time you bar all strings except from the last E here. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Then we'll have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally we have the A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So this string pattern, if you grab the D, it goes down, up, clap, down. So right, very easy. So the chord progression will be D, 1, A, C chord, 1, B minor 2, then G, 1, A, 1, and D, 2. Let's go. D, A sharp, B minor, G, A, D. Again. Alright guys, so it's a short one. It's called Call Me Baby, or Gordon if you wish. Thank you for watching and play tuned.